Hello, my name is David Thomas, and I am your child's marine biology teacher this year. Taught marine bio at Monarch for a little bit more than 10 years now. It's always a really interesting and fast-paced and fun course, looking at humanity's impact on the oceans, how the oceans impact us, and of course a wide survey of the various creatures found in the oceans. We do a lot of labs, a lot of activities, a little bit of reading, a little bit of lecture, but try to keep things as interactive and hands-on as possible. You should not expect to see very much homework unless students are finishing things from in class. There are no materials required. There's no textbook other than a spiral notebook for taking notes in, and a set of colored pencils is always handy as well. We hopefully will be doing a field trip to Florida in April, depending on the COVID situation and school district policies. That is, of course, optional. You'll be getting more information about that going forward. If you have any questions about the course or need to contact me, email is the best way, dave.thomas@bbsd.org, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible with answers to your questions. Hoping to meet you all at back to school night in person, or perhaps at parent-teacher conferences where we can discuss your child's progress so far in the course. That's it for me.